These people are selling water that we think it's purified, coming from the toilet.
What the hell is this thing? What the hell is this thing?
In a tuck shop.
What the hell is this thing? What the hell is fucking this? What the hell is this?
Purified, so-called purified, coming from the toilet.
You want money?
Oh, I have. Oh, just one Nazareth. Oh, this thing is going. Oh, Jesus. These people. This is the water that they are selling for the people in the name of purified water. And they are selling to the communities. Our communities are just eating or drinking water that is coming from the toilet. These people.
Who's your boss?
It is clear that we must get people from health to come and see this thing. Once again, I'm taking you through this water that is coming from the toilet. It is going like that from the toilet. Here are the filters. But the source of the water is the toilet. Filth. Our people are being made to drink filth that is coming from the toilet. This cannot be tolerated. Really, it cannot.